I see one washing machine stand with 26 wheels, another that is size adjustable, and a third that is priced very low. I'm quite confused about which stand to buy for my washing machine. The wheels on the washing machine stand are designed for occasional movement only, not for regular or frequent use. This is because, once the washing machine is installed on the stand, height adjustment is not possible while the machine is fixed in place. During installation, the wheels should not touch the ground, only the legs of the washing machine should be in contact with the floor. This is the correct installation process. If the wheels touch the ground, your machine may move or vibrate during operation. Now, consider the purpose of having 26 or 36 wheels. The wheels are provided for rare movements. If you need to move the machine, you should first lift the machine off the ground, adjust the height so that the wheels touch the ground, then place your washing machine back on the stand. This allows you to move the machine from one room to another. That is the actual purpose of the wheels on a washing machine stand. For this movement, 4 wheels are enough. There is no need for multiple axle wheels like 26 or 36 wheel for washing machine stand. All adjustable function stands have leg projections and height adjustment screws that extend outward. These can pose a risk of hitting your foot or your child's foot while walking around the machine. This is especially dangerous if a child is running around the machine, as it could cause severe injury, such as hitting a nail. Please be aware of this risk. If you own a 6 kilograms, 6.5 kilograms front-load washing machine with a front dimension of 24 inches and a side dimension of 17 inches, our fixed stand is the perfect match for any brand. This stand features a fixed size with height adjustment. Equipped with 360-degree rotating wheels. Provides an exact fit for your machine. No external projections like stand legs or wheels. Simply measure your machine's dimensions before ordering. If it measures 24 inches in the front and 17 inches on the side, then this stand is perfect for you. Our fixed stand eliminates these issues: no outside projections, a perfect fit, and no dimensional adjustments required. Why is a fixed size stand better than an adjustable stand? In our standard size stand, the wheels, legs, and leg adjustment screws are all designed to be inside. There's no need for dimensional adjustments during installation, making it simple and easy. You are choosing the perfect partner for your washing machine with Home Haul. They offer a stand equipped with AI-powered technology, designed for a lifespan of 15 to 20 years. It features auto-imbalance control and eliminates vibrations even during high-speed spinning. Enjoy a 1-year complete replacement warranty or 100% cash back during the warranty period. Their digital warranty process requires no documents, and everything is automated, no follow-up needed for service. So we provide the perfect solution for your problem. Thank you for your valuable time and for choosing our product.